Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this wire that was in one of my dumpsters. This stuff is huge. What I want to do, I don't know how much it weighs. They had to load it in with a machine apparently, and it was buried under the ground. But let me see if I can find it. This is all strand copper. Look at the size of this stuff. And I've got a new cutter that I've used before. I'll show you that one that I made. What I'm going to do is cut this in like 2-foot lengths and feed it through the cutter. Very simple, very easy. Look at the size of that stuff. Crazy. I have to grab my machine, pick it up, and bring it over so I can cut it up with in length with a porta band. All right, go to the next step. Okay, let's try to cut one of these and see what it looks like. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's a weird casing. It's got an outer casing and an inner casing. There it is, all cleaned up. There's a lot of copper there. And here's what it looks like with the casing taken off. Beautiful stuff. What do they call it? Street gold or scrapper's gold? I can't wait to see what that one giant strand of wire weighs when it's all cleaned up. Give us something to do while we're on quarantine. And I think I'm going to wait for the prices to drop back up, go back up, before I get rid of any of this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, and you might want to subscribe because I have a really cool idea for stripping this. And that'll be on one of my next videos. And maybe we'll keep this all separate to see how much we end up with. Pretty interesting. Thanks. Thanks for watching.